Ever found yourself splitting bills with a partner, housemate, or even a close friend and thought, there has got to be a better way than endless bank transfers and dodgy spreadsheets? You're not alone. Managing shared finances can be a real headache. From rent and utilities to groceries and nights out, keeping track of who owes what can quickly become a source of stress. Now, traditional joint accounts have been around for ages, of course. But let's be honest, they're not always the most flexible or user-friendly. Long queues at the bank, complicated paperwork, and limited digital features can make them feel like a relic of the past. That's why many people are turning to modern, digital-first banks, hoping for a smoother, more streamlined experience. So, this brings us to the question we're tackling today. Does Starling Bank offer joint accounts? It's a question I get asked a lot, and it's a perfectly valid one. Starling has built a reputation for its innovative approach to banking, its sleek app, and its focus on user experience. It would make sense that they'd offer a modern take on shared finances. Before we dive into the specifics of Starling's offerings, let's just briefly touch on why joint accounts are so useful in the first place. Beyond simply splitting bills, they can be a powerful tool for couples building a life together, allowing for shared budgeting, saving for joint goals like a house or a wedding, and providing transparency in financial matters. They can also be incredibly helpful for housemates sharing expenses, simplifying the often messy process of dividing costs. Now, back to Starling. The short answer is, yes, Starling Bank does offer joint accounts. And they've done it in a way that aligns with their overall ethos of simple, convenient banking. Starling's joint accounts are designed to be opened and managed entirely through their mobile app. This means no more trips to a physical branch, no more mountains of paperwork. You can apply for a joint account in minutes, directly from your phone, making the entire process incredibly quick and easy. But what makes Starling's joint accounts stand out? Well, a few key features are worth highlighting. Firstly, the application process is incredibly streamlined. Both applicants need to have their own individual Starling accounts first. This is a crucial step, as it leverages the existing security and verification measures already in place. Once you both have individual accounts, creating a joint account is a matter of a few taps within the app. Secondly, you get full visibility and control. Both account holders have equal access to the joint account and can view transactions, manage settings, and make payments. This transparency is key to maintaining trust and avoiding misunderstandings. Thirdly, Starling offers real-time notifications for all transactions on the joint account. This means you and your partner or housemate are instantly alerted to any spending, keeping you both in the loop and preventing any surprises. Fourthly, you can easily categorize your spending within the joint account, just as you can with a personal Starling account. This allows you to track where your shared money is going, making budgeting and financial planning much easier. You can see how much you're spending on groceries, rent, entertainment, and other categories, giving you a clear overview of your joint finances. Fifthly, Starling offers the ability to create spaces within your joint account. These are essentially sub-accounts that allow you to ring-fence money for specific purposes. For example, you could create a rent space, a bills space, or a holiday space. This helps you to stay organized and ensure that money is set aside for its intended purpose. It's like having multiple mini-accounts within your joint account, all easily accessible and manageable. Sixthly, and this is a big one for many, there are no monthly fees for Starling's joint accounts. This is a significant advantage over some traditional banks that charge for joint account services. Now, it's worth mentioning a couple of things. As mentioned earlier, both applicants need to have their own individual Starling accounts before applying for a joint one. This is a requirement and ensures a smooth and secure setup process. Also, while Starling is primarily a digital bank, they do offer access to the post office for cash deposits and withdrawals, providing some level of physical access for those who need it. So, to summarize, Starling Bank does indeed offer joint accounts, and they've designed them with the modern user in mind. The application process is quick and easy. Everything is managed through the app. You get real-time notifications, spending categorization, spaces for budgeting, and there are no monthly fees. It's a compelling option for anyone looking for a convenient and transparent way to manage shared finances. If you're considering opening a joint account, it's always a good idea to do your own research and compare different options to find the best fit for your needs. But if you're looking for a digital-first, user-friendly experience, Starling's offering is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.